Hello, how to solve this exponential problem? This is 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of a, and this equals 64. We are solving for the value of a that satisfies this equation. Now, this is what we are going to do. Let's factor out 2 power a because it appears in two places. So we have 2 power a times this divides 2 power a. We have 1 plus 2 power a divides 2 power a. We also have 1. And this equals 64. So the next step will be to add what we have inside this bracket. So we have 2 power 8 times this is 2, and this equals 64. So what we are going to do will be to divide this by 2 and divide this by 2. So this eliminates this, and what we are going to have is 2 power a equals 64 divided by 2, and this will give you 32. So we have 2 power a equals 32. How do we solve for a? Now, let's go ahead and apply log. We have log 2 power a equals log 32. So, you have log 2 power a equals log 32 is simply 2 times 16. If you have log a times b equals log a plus log b, and also if you have log a power b equals b times log a. So we apply two properties, one for here and one for this particular expression. So that means for log 2 power a, we are going to have a times log 2 equals, for this, we have log 2 plus log 16 because this is my a, this is my b. Now, the next step will be to express this as 4 times 4, that's 16. We have a times log 2 equals log 2 plus, this is log 4 times 4. And remember, log 8 times b equals log 8 plus log b. So we have a log 2 equals log 2 plus log 4 plus log 4. So from here, we have a log 2 equals log 2 plus log 4 is the same thing as writing log 2 power 2 plus this is the same thing as writing log 2 power 2 as well. And don't forget the fact that log a power b is the same as b times log a. So we have a log 2 equals log 2 plus 2 times log 2 plus 2 times log 2. So from here, remember the coefficient here is 1. So we have a times log 2 equals 1 plus 2. That is 3 plus 2. That is 5. So what we are going to have will be 5 log 2. We can isolate a by dividing this by log 2, and we divide this by log 2. So this cancels this. I will simply have a equals 5 times log 2 divided by log 2. So this cancels this, and that means my a equals 5. Now that is it. That is what we have actually solving this. Do you know that we can actually solve this without logarithm at this particular point? you have 2 power a equals 32. Remember, 2 power a equals 32 is simply 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 and times 2. That is 2 into 5 places. You have 2 power a equals 2 power 5. Now, if you have a power x is equals a power y, that means x equals y. Because when the bases are the same, we compare the exponents. So right here we have a equals 5. So a equals 5 is my solution as well without log. Now that we have gotten the solution, we can simply solve for a here. We can verify. We verify our a equals 5. That means 2 power a plus 2 power a equals 64. Simply means that 2 power 5 plus 2 power 5 equals 64. And like we said earlier on, 2 power 5, this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 plus 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equals 64. So this is 4, 8, 16, 32 plus 4, 8, 16, 32 equals 64. So 32 plus 32 will simply give you 64, and this equals 64. So left hand side equals right hand side. Our answer is totally correct, guys. And this is how you can solve this exponential problem with or without your logarithm. Thank you and goodbye.